In few and simple steps, let's make a grid logo. First, we start by making the grid with the pencil tool by drawing a line. Then we duplicate it 13 times. And then we reflect all the lines to 45 degrees and make a copy of it. And then a 60-degree copy, and we duplicate it vertically. Next, we use the Shape Builder tool and start drawing inside the selection. Be careful here and focus with the details. In the end, we remove the rest of the lines, and that's it, job done. Hope you like it and learn from it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your opinion in the comments. See you on the next video.